Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make eggs. First step, you need the ingredients. So the ingredients you need: eggs. Optional with cheese. Optional with spray butter, or spray, because that works. Necessary, butter, and salt and pepper, and a fork. First step, crack eggs. You can have many eggs more, but I wouldn't recommend more than like 5 maximum. 5 to get fucking started. Oops, that fucking spilled everywhere. It's okay. I'm doing 3 eggs today. Crack it. In case you don't even know how to crack an egg. Also, that's sad if you don't. But take the egg, take it like that, put it right there. Hit it nice and not too hard, but where you smash it, but where there's like a hole in it, put it in 2 hands. Crack it. Simple. Next up, you want to whisk the eggs like that. Take your fork and start expanding it. Very important, make sure they're very well whisked. Make sure all the yolks are broken. You want nice scrambled eggs. Okay, that should be good. Next step, you want to spray your pan. Now, put the butter on the pan. I'm kind of struggling in one hand, but depending on the size of the pan, you may need more butter than a very small pan. So, not a lot of butter. And then put it on high heat. High heat, so that the butter's melting. Kind of like even it out, you know? Even out around the pan. Ooh, the fire hit me. Ow. But, okay. Make sure your butter's melted. Get it coated all even. Once the butter melts, you could lower it instead of, or just a little bit. And then put your eggs in. The eggs go in. You can save that fork, you need it. Boom, perfect. Once they're in, put your salt. Just put some salt. I'm kind of struggling with one hand. Oh, and no, fuck. Get your pepper. Some pepper. Okay, and now, see how it's like white around the edges? Well, pull in. Pull in towards the center. That's all you gotta do from each. Just keep on doing that, and then it's kind of hard in my hand, but actually not bad. Right there. Boom. Just pull them towards the center, and your eggs will turn out fucking amazing, beautiful. Whatever. Also, if you got a new pan, I'm using like an old pan. Kind of sucks. So I can use a fork. If you have a new pan, use a spatula to do this. Because that also want to scratch the pan a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Honestly, you could cook on a little bit higher heat too. Just keep on doing that. And it should be done in no time. And then once, like, eventually you stop doing it, just start mixing it, and then you're done. Turn off the heat. Boom. You know when they're done when they stop running out right. And then, so you're done, put it on a plate. You have your eggs, and you eat them. Put some cheese on if you want. Cheese makes it 10 times better. And these turned out alright. Oh, wait, they're not fucking focusing. Eggs. Perfectly cooked, delicious, soft, fluffy. What more can you ask for? Thank you for watching, and if you want more cooking videos, comment down below.